Well, that's not good. If that looks familiar to you, hopefully this video will help you fix it. So what's going on here is this on the top, this is where the water's coming from. This outside spigot can leak in a bunch of different ways, but what's happening with this, I believe, is that this vacuum breaker has gone bad. And basically what the vacuum breaker does, it's like a backflow preventer so that water doesn't go back into the house. And it leaks so often that they make vacuum breaker kits. So I got one of those, and I'll show you how to take this one off. If you need to, you can use pliers to take this cap off. And there's gonna be water that shoots out if you have a hose connected like me, and that's okay. And then we will take this piece off. Just gonna carefully twist it, this, until we can take it off by hand. There we go. There's a little plunger that is in here. Let's open it up. So this piece goes in first with the washer up, and then it'll sit in like that. There's a rubber O-ring that goes around here. You want to just tighten that by hand as much as you can, and then just give it a little extra twist. Carefully, you don't want to mess up the threads here. It's only plastic. This is just to seat those, the washer and the O-ring. Then tighten this back up just by hand, and hopefully that fixes your problem. So really easy, but if you didn't know where to start, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.